Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles in Discord Mimu. Open server settings, then choose roles and click the plus icon to create a role immediately. Name the role something descriptive, pick a color, and toggle the display and hoist options as needed. Think about hierarchy and where the role should sit in the list. Keep permissions minimal at first, then add capabilities like manage messages or kick members only when necessary and safe. Assigning permissions is a careful process that protects your community and saves time. Begin by enabling basic permissions like read messages and send messages before testing higher powers. Avoid granting administrator unless you fully trust someone, and instead combine manage messages and kick members for moderation. Test each role with a volunteer account or temp member. Keep a checklist of changes and review role effects on channels and bots to prevent accidental access. For a polished server, use role hierarchy to define who can manage roles and assign permissions. Establish color and naming conventions so staff, bots, and special members are instantly recognizable. Leverage bots to automate role assignment, welcome flows, and reaction roles for self-assignment. Regularly audit role settings and bot scopes to avoid privilege creep. Communicate role purpose to your team and document any changes to maintain clarity and security across the community.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.